Learn Commerce. Please like, share, and subscribe.
ഹായ് ഓൾ, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു ലെറ്റ്സ് ലേൺ കോമേഴ്സ്. സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ടാക്സ് ഓഫീസറിന് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള GSTയുടെ കുറച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ചോയ്സ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. GST ഈസ് ഇംപ്ലിമെൻറ്റഡ് ഇൻ ഇന്ത്യ ഓൺ ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 1st July 2017, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 1st July 2018, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 1st July 2019 and option D 1st July 2016. Correct answer option A 1st July 2017. Next one, in India the GST is a dual model of option A UK, option B Canada, option C USA, option D Japan. Correct answer option B Canada. Third question, tagline of GST. Option A one nation one tax, option B one India one tax, option C one tax for India, option D none of these. Correct answer option A one nation one tax. Next one, which states become the second state of India to ratify GST bill? Option A Bihar, option B Telangana, option C Assam, option D Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer option A Bihar. Next question, which state becomes the first state of India to ratify GST bill? Option A Bihar, option B Telangana, option C Assam, option D Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer option C Assam. Next one, GST will be levied on option A manufacturers, option B retailers, option C consumers, option D all of the above. Correct answer option D all of the above. Next one, goods and service tax is dash. Option A consumption based, option B both supply and consumption based, option C supply based, option D none of the above. Correct answer option A consumption based. Next question, Constitution Amendment Act 2016 for GST was dash. Option A 80th, option B 101, option C 122, option D none of the above. Correct answer option B 101. Next question, HSN Code stands for option A Home Shopping Network, option B Harmonized System of Nomenclature, option C Harmonized System Number, option D Home State Number. Correct answer option B Harmonized System of Nomenclature. Next one, SAC code stand for option A Services Accounting Code, option B Software Accounting Code, option C System Accounting Code, option D Service Application Code. Correct answer option A Services Accounting Code. Next one, how will the goods and services be classified under GST regime? Option A SAC or HSN code, option B HSN code, option C SAC code, option D GST code. Correct answer option A SAC or HSN code. Next one, what are the taxes levied on an intra-state supply? Option A CGST, option B SGST, option C IGST, option D both CGST and SGST. Correct answer option D both CGST and SGST. Next one, the rate of IGST equal to the rate of option A CGST, option B SGST, option C CGST plus the rate of SGST, option D SGST plus UTGST. Correct answer option C CGST plus the rate of SGST. Next one, which of the following tax has not subsumed in GST? Option A service tax, option B central excise duty, option C basic customs duty, option D special additional duty of customs. Correct answer option C basic custom duty. Next one, Which is the commodity kept outside the purview of GST? Option A, tobacco and tobacco products. Option B, petroleum products. Option D, domestic LPG. Option C, edible oil. Correct answer, option B, petroleum products. Next one, IGST collected belong to option A, central government. Option B, to the state in which supply occurs. Option C, to the state to which supply occurs. Option D, center and state to which supply occurs. Option D ആണ് correct answer. The center and state to which supply occurs. Next one, UTGST is applicable when option A, sold in union territory. Option B, goods are purchased by central government. Option C, goods from one union territory to another union territory. Option D, there is interstate supply. Correct answer, option A, sold in union territory. Next one, who shall be empowered to levy and collect GST on supplies in the course of interstate transactions of trade or commerce? Options A, central government. Option B, state government. Option C, union territories. Option C, all of the above. Correct answer, option A, central government. Last question, under GST, value addition refers to dash. Option A, expenses plus profit. Option B, cost plus tax. Option C, cost plus tax plus profit. Option D, tax plus profit. Correct answer, option A ആണ് expenses plus profit. ഇത്രയും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. കൂടുതൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിനായിട്ട് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഓൺലൈൻ പെയ്ഡ് STO ബാച്ചിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ താല്പര്യമുള്ള ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾ ഡയറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് വാട്സപ്പ് നമ്പറിൽ കോൺടാക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക്